A big, powerful 500-pound predatory fish lives off the United States Pacific coast, yet relatively little is known about it. Let's take a look at 20 facts about the giant sea bass. Number 1. Giant sea bass start as bright orange juveniles with black spots and 3 semi-translucent fins. As they mature, they lose the spots and become a dark gray 500-pound behemoth. Number 2. They can reach up to 8 feet and 500 pounds. This tiny yellow fish is actually over 6 inches long, but it can barely be seen next to this big boy. And this silver-haired dude is my dad, who is a hefty 6'2", 210 pounds. Yet this beast is roughly twice his weight. Number 3. The biggest sea bass are often the oldest, and are estimated to be 75 years or older, which is about the average lifespan of a human. Number 4. Giant sea bass have a huge diet, many of which it finds on the sea floor. Their menu includes stingrays, lobster, like this poor guy, crabs, like this poor guy, flatfish, small sharks, sheep's head, and smaller sea bass. Number 5. Despite their huge, bulky appearance, the giant sea bass can swim very fast for short periods. Number 6. They are classified as a megacarnivore, which simply means they are a really big animal that eats other animals. Number 7. They are the biggest carnivore inhabiting the kelp beds in Southern California, and it's not even close. Number 8. Its range on the Eastern Pacific is from Humboldt Bay to the Gulf of California, but are most common south of Point Conception. Number 9. They like to stay near kelp forests and in relatively shallow water. Number 10. They make the sound of a very loud bass drum. Number 11. Females can carry up to 6 million eggs, which is a lot of eggs. Number 12. Commercial fisheries for this giant fish started in the late 19th century and reached hundreds of thousands of pounds per year. Sport and spearfishers caught hundreds of more fish. Number 13. In the 1970s, a group speared 7 giant sea bass at Santa Cruz Island, which is over a ton of fish. Unable to eat it all, they illegally sold it at the San Pedro Fish Market, and when they were caught, spearfishing for the species was made illegal. Number 14. Giant sea bass were once common off Southern California, but in the 1980s, they were nearly fished to local extinction. Number 15. When biologists realized the local population was rapidly dropping, they decided to ban commercial and sport fishing of the giant bass in 1982. Number 16. The giant sea bass is related to the Goliath grouper, which was also overfished, then also protected by state law, and since has also made a great comeback. Number 17. While the population of giant sea bass is rebounding, they are no longer genetically diverse. This phenomenon is called the bottlenose effect. When a population is reduced to very few individuals, little genetic diversity is left, which remains true even when the population increases again. Number 18. Their increasing numbers enable better research on their lifespan, size, mating habits, and population diversity. Scientists often attach trackers to the sea bass, which determine its movement and depth changes. Number 19. To estimate age, rings in the ear bones are counted. I feel like there's gotta be an easier way. Number 20. To accurately size these giants underwater, researchers use lasers and GoPro footage. 2 laser beams point directly at a fish, and stills from the video determine the length. Weight is determined using length-weight relationships. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for a new video every Sunday and to check out some of my other videos.